Hi everyone, my name is Yipeng Zhang. Today I will talk about our work, minimizing the regret of an influence provider. We will study this problem under OOH advertising, short for out-of-home advertising. Why this problem interested us? First, it is because it's valuable. It worth more than 16 million US dollar in 2020. And second, we find that most if not all existing works focusing on how to maximize the advertising influence for one single advertiser, but in our work, we are focusing on how to maximize the profit for one host who is dealing with multiple advertisers at the same time. Then I will talk about the hardness, the solution, and the experiment. In our work, there are two different roles. One is host, another one is advertiser. Each host has a lot of billboards and try to earn money. Each advertiser has the money but try to buy influence. So the advertiser will submit a contract to the host. The contract includes the number of people she is willing to advertising and the payment. The host will try to find several billboards to display its advertising. And when the request is satisfied, the advertiser will pay the host. Therefore, in our problem, we will input a host who has a lot of billboards and a set of advertisers. Each advertiser has a budget and a demand. As the output, we will find a set of billboards for each advertiser and try to satisfy her demand. Our goal is to maximize the host's profit. But there's one simple question. What is the profit? How do we define the profit? A simple way is to define the profit as the total payment from all advertisers. But in our work, we find that a better way is to minimize the regret, where the regret consists of the unsatisfied penalty and the excessive influence. Therefore, we change the objective functions to minimizing the regret. There are two challenges for our work. The first one is this problem is NP hard to approximate with any constant factor. And the second one is the objective function is non-monotone and non-sum modular. To solve those challenges, we first introduce a synchronous greedy, and then we propose two randomized local search frameworks. They are based on different local search strategies, which allow us to trade off the efficiency and the effectiveness. In the experiment part, we are not only try to evaluate the performance for all algorithms, but also we try to answer a question, how the market affects the regret. Therefore, we propose the two key parameters, the divided supply ratio and the average individual supply ratio. The former one is equal to total demand divided by the host supply. If the alpha is approaching 100%, it means there is a high risk that the host will break the contract. And if the alpha is larger than 100%, it means the demand is already exceeds the supply. Based on those two key parameters, we can explore how the market affects the regret during those four cases. And we also conduct the experiment based on totally different data sets. The first one is based on trajectory dataset, and the second one is based on the public transport record. So this is all for the 5 minutes video. If you are interested in our works, please read our paper. and watching the 20 minutes videos. Thanks.